me the hand mete hand e wo me na hand e setse me so me na fie me na kokwa pia fie eni anapa sorry yeti Aprodoo for Chrome ne kase Aprodoo utie kasani ya se yeti Aprodoo yeti Apro akodo ho a yefifi yefi mantem akodo ho a na do ho a yenkwa bibia keke but I be tachi say kutokasem going on a mission utie kasani ya se yeti Aprodoo yeti Aprodoo and kasa ntiabe yeti Aprodoo ntina Mati Aprodoo. Oh, you will watch you. I'm in bar school. Tesano JSS. I'm a school prefect. It has a sound. I mean, this side of town. It I say when we use school, one call SS. I say, oh, mommy and I hop any around. And I remember it feels like an opportunity for me. So menya a voice and to be a musician or an artist.
So as messing up in team, but whom it's more pomachad and I'm insane. Near consul, no boy, he not no patafort, no dear about my many. Fear Jeremy, so be a bontain. Martin Kenson at more bontinting. So no crime will know somebody down. I'm a dad, actually, a better in a ginger.
So, as you say, this side of town, they call here Kakai City. Yeah. With me, I never know what Kakai City, what it be about. Even though I did the area inside, I never know what Kakai City be about. I never know what did they do for Kakai City. Yeah, but every day I pass around. I know, yeah, the sea boys, they say hi, but I never know what they do for Kakai City. I never know what they have for Kakai City. So, you understand how? Yeah, so, so as part of the process, I want to know what Kakai City be.
I want you to know that, like Kakai City, we are one and we are together. It's like a phone name. If I say phone name, it means we are all one. Like in the state, how they say phone name, gang. Like we are one. Mafias are here. People that they are scary, you see them like maybe they are robbers, like me like this. But I hope you see me like I'm innocent. I'm bad in me. That's why we call here Kakai City money makers. We ain't stealing, we ain't robbing. I'm an upcoming. And I do trap music too. Yes, I can even give a freestyle if you like.
If you want to.
Okay, let me give a freestyle. I told you I'm gonna get it by the dial me. But now I'll be rolling in this new band. So why you hating, bro? I'll be working on my masterpiece. I got the keys, Khaled. Tell them we're the best now. Muizafi, Yaruba Mukwana, out here grinding till the sun goes down. Street educated, making money than his graduate. We talking grace, why niggas talking niggas. All these niggas trying to vex we buy, we ain't mine. We know one day we gon' pull in rolls and the dodge. I ain't wanna fuck with this hoes cause the darling.
One of the things that worry me for around we say, if something bad happened for the community inside, they will tell you say go Kakai City. If somebody intend loss, they will tell say call we for you and I'll quasi on them. You the bar. Which it be worrying.
Even though when someone machine or everything lost,
They come tell
in
you.
their house, they will come
Tell you.
go straight to Kakai City.
Then you go violate, then the thing will come out.
You see, But we are not criminals over here. We are money makers because of the smoke that we have been smoking. So they will say everything they should come to Kakai City.
Montia CSA, Comamia, Nibibeson, so, and Comamia Koyo Bregu. Na Koyo Bregu, so, Namadania, this work, Musu sends a marbosomno. Ye yacha, Mamma Hunisa, want to a toss where Bebas was a CNN. Tina me pipe quite ya to at the Chima, Samenase, but yes, na wetimagina so na watwe mu a na wasosoro na wankyere tentene ye saa no wanam so a watime di onse si wobo na wato obo ayi yakea timedi ne pinten menya kotuku mfa me kra bi mpo nhyemi da akea semti na me bre ne so me yira na matena se ya homekina me de megidi se obi biara ba asase so se o baby bi ye de obi ba obi aba asase so o baby bi obi wa de ne ba se o obi nyiska mfa mo abusua obi ososo ayre ne ba se o medi ipadom bi enim na o medi abusua bi enim me de megidi se bososo me ba se me bo amanfo me hya amanfo on crime me pija amanfo me bi amanfo adwin sana meteno mi mu na masan kunya enyum to ya san de enyum to ama me as achede enintino and lecture says me family we so etimi de shaman for crying etimi de bia amanfo ni etimi de pija amanfo na mehwe ebi ego me mantemo boni beka me community na me society a enema yakoso na me free ho na mehwe enema akoso ene de yakoso a na asede ema me se me fa menum yiso ede apija amanfo ede aka minuanom a omowo me mantemo ebom anya bia nkoma me ya ebekama boso tam ankoma me ya me nkona maboka ne me hunu mani so ne me botaye manhwa nya ne me dinani madiye mia makoye anyumtuni na makoye artist metimi pie ko ba bi metimi tukwan nya konya tukwan etimi ne amanfo bibiri hyiehia eye anibie ne ama bibiri na enimti no me fa menyumto yeso so akire minuanom num enema kakra me kwa wontia me kusua na omonso atimi de ahye omon kra atimi apege omatimi bie omadwem me gidi se me die no eminti no me so me Aprodoo no se meti Aprodoo na kakra me nyem no me so metimi de aboa me mantem ne me nuanom omowom Aprodoo Aprodoo. Yeah. Aprodoo. Like Mills on. Aprodoo. I'm on my teeth, so I smash in a bente. My home team up on my chair, and I'm insane. Dear consul, no way, he no patafu, no dear bam, my mini.